Meet Mr. Akani, a local entrepreneur here in Cotonou Benin Republic, who turned a small craft business into a thriving export company. Now I call him a craftpreneur. But that's not all. Reaching a global market across West Africa, how did Mr. Akani conquer the complexities of exporting products from Benin Republic to other parts of West Africa? Let's find out in this video. It is no news that Cotonou is the economic heartbeat of the entire country, Benin Republic. If you are wondering how you can expand your business beyond the shores of Cotonou, or probably you are in Nigeria or other part of Africa, you are thinking about how do I expand to Cotonou and to other part of Africa, then look no further, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can do everything from beginning to the start, all through the paperwork to compliance, ensuring your goods move smoothly through Benin Republic across other parts of Africa like Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire and beyond. Mistakenly, a lot of people think that everything that comes into Cotonou must stay in Cotonou. But surprisingly, Cotonou is not just a trade hub. Cotonou is also a launch pad for you to be able to move your products from Cotonou to other parts of Africa. Now, whether you are dealing with textile materials, agricultural products, or handmade craft, mastering export procedure is very, very important. Now, let me break them down one step at a time. Step 1 is understanding the export procedure. Now, you need to understand that before you start exporting products from Benin Republic or from other parts of Africa to Benin Republic, then from Benin Republic to beyond, you need to have a license. And for you to obtain this license, you need to register with the Chamber of Commerce here in Cotonou, Benin Republic, so that you can have the exporter license. Now, this exporter license is your ticket to trade across the borders, either the borders of Nigeria, the borders of Niger Republic, or the borders of Togo and Burkina Faso. Once you obtain your license for you to become an official exporter, then the next thing to do is to understand market trends and demand. But the question here is that what is demand when it comes to exporting products out of Benin Republic? Now, you need to understanding where demand is, your location of destination when exporting your product matters a lot. Then we move to step number 3. Step number 3 is legal compliance and documentation. Without this, you can't even start this business. Like, seriously, even if you have your license, there are still other compliance and documentation that you must follow. Now, you have to ensure that your goods meet the safety and quality standards required in the target market. If you are going to Ghana, you are going to Nigeria, you are going to other parts of Africa to go distribute and to sell and to export your product to those countries, you must make sure that you meet the standard of the destination market you are going to sell. Now, when it comes to this, you have 3 documents that are required from you for you to be able to have this documentation done properly. Number 1 document that will be required from you is your certificate of origin. This is very important. You need to always make sure that you have your photocopy of certificate of origin. Number 2 is export license that you have gotten from the Chamber of Commerce. Number 3 is the custom declaration, properly filled out accordingly and submitted. Number 4 is logistic and shipping. Now, even though you are exporting your product, you are not a logistic company. You have your product, but you need to partner with logistic companies that will ensure that your products are properly transported efficiently and also cost effectively as well. Remember, these freight forwarders and logistic companies that transport products from Benin Republic to other parts of Africa, they understand the routes, they understand the nuances and everything that is required when it comes to moving products. So that is why your partnership with them is very, very important at this stage, so that you don't lose your product and your business. Now, there you have it. Those are the 4 important steps that you must take if you want to start moving your products from Benin Republic to other parts of Africa. Or probably you are bringing your product from other parts of Africa to Benin, then from Benin you move them to other parts of Africa. Perfect. These are the things that you will need. Now, the good thing here is that exporting products from Cotonou has certain advantage compared to you just exporting it from Niger to other parts, for instance. Because of the way Cotonou is situated, like the center and the port and all that. So that makes it so advantageous for you to export your product from Cotonou Benin Republic to other neighboring countries here in West Africa. Now, if this guide helps you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and watch the other videos about Benin Republic and business in general. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.